check your transaction history on Upwork, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need quickly. Step 1. Log into your Upwork account. Visit the Upwork website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, look for the Reports option in the main menu. Click on it to access various reporting tools related to your account. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Reports section, find and click on Transaction History. This will take you to a page where you can view all your financial transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. Use the filtering options available to narrow down your transaction history by date range, type of transaction, or specific clients. This will help you find the exact information you need. Step 5. Review and download. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Upwork. This will help you keep track of your earnings and expenses on the platform.